Hi guys, welcome to Identity and download to fail error in your operating your Windows, your Chrome browsers, and any other browsers. Okay, so how to fix? Firstly, guys, you have to check your internet working or not working. So how to check? By CMD command, click to start button, type CMD, then click command prompt. This is open time typing www.google.com, then slash t means, so this is actually proper coming replay from the Google servers. Okay, I have to ping in google.com, so 6 milliseconds means your internet is working properly. Okay, then guys, open which is browser are you using. So open this one and right click to 3 tab. This is Firefox, not a Chrome, so same, both same. Okay, so click to history and clean history, check all offline data and things, and select everything. Okay, then, so one more thing, remember you have to clean this passwords and all, reset, remove from your browser. So please back up and you do not know all passwords, so you can clean now. Okay, then browse, then close it, then again open. Okay, next solutions guys, click to right click to Windows icon, then click to device manager, then guys network and adapter, and if you have using Wi-Fi, so select this one. Okay, and you can check it by cable and Wi-Fi. Okay, I have a desktop, that's why I have showing that Intel 1000 MD desktop adapter. So right click to update your drivers. Okay, then close. And if you using Google Chrome, so you can open any browsers and reinstallations. Okay, Chrome download, then click to download. This is downloading. Now click to launch and run. Then yes. So if you facing issues in Chrome browser, so you can check download Mozilla, and if you facing the issue in Mozilla, so you can download Chrome and check it. Okay, okay. So one more step. Then guys, click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc slash scan now, you look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy
and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.